Mars, let's tell everyone about a deal we closed fairly recently,
Yes.
a daycare center, Philadelphia. Actually, it was in Northeast Philadelphia, which is where I grew up.
Jack is very familiar with the area.
I know this, literally, I know the block.
Yeah.
But borrowers came to us, and if I remember correctly, let's go into, oh, first of all, wherever you're seeing this, like it, subscribe to it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them. We answer the questions, believe it or not. So what happened was we got a deal. It was actually a call from a realtor. It was I just realized my string is screwed up here.
Pull it, the button
No,
will
I know
fall
the
off.
button will fall off. Okay. Anyway, a real estate broker sold a daycare center in Northeast Philadelphia.
And they called us.
They were rejected by a bank.
Well, first, the way this story started was they came to us and we said we were interested in the deal.
But I think a bank said no, or a bank couldn't close in time. We issued the term sheet. Then we didn't hear from them for what, like 2 months? A long time.
At least 2 months.
A long time. Then they came back to us and said, "Oh, can you close next week?"
Right, which,
by the way,
they went somewhere else. They couldn't do the deal, and then they came back to us.
We're fine with that. That happens all the time. It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
So they tried to get it closed, and at least 1 or 2 other lenders, God knows how many lenders, they couldn't get it done. And we did it. We closed the deal in a week or two. So the story was, it was a family. They were buying a daycare center. I think they used to own one, but they didn't own one now.
And they both, him and his wife, both worked in that type of industry. Like one worked taking care of elders, and one worked with taking care, like it worked at a school.
One took care of old people, one took care of kids.
Like caring. I guess that's what it was. Caring people. That was their livelihood. So they had like a really good background.
It takes a special kind of person to do that.
It does.
It does. I'm laughing. I don't think I could.
That right now.
Yeah, that's true.
Elder parents.
Yeah, not easy. Anyway, so a husband and wife bought a daycare. It was closed at the time.
It was open.
Oh, it was open.
Yeah, it was open.
Okay,
so
I said that.
And they were actually like, the whole property obviously was like furnished for daycare.
We didn't have any income statements from the previous owner.
We did it as a non-income verification loan. Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah, I believe it was a 65 LTV. Again, no appraisal, no environmental. It was a very clean deal.
Yes.
And we closed it. We have a ton of daycare centers on our books, literally all over the country, and we love them. We're very into daycare centers.
They do very well.
They do very well. And that's the scoop.
Yeah.
We closed it quick. No fuss, no muss. Boom, boom, boom.
I mean, it was a purchase that had to close by a specific date. And we were able to meet all the deadlines, which was great. So
yeah, so that's a story. That's what we do. That's what we do. Daycare center, Philadelphia, city of brotherly love, where the Declaration of Independence was written. We closed it and excited to close it. And we love daycare centers. We again have a ton of them all over the place. And call us with your daycare center request. That didn't come through a mortgage broker. That came through a realtor. Yeah. Most of our deals come through a mortgage broker, but that came through a realtor who wanted to earn his commission because
So shout out to realtors out there. If you have a deal that you're having a hard time closing, we are a perfect alternative for your borrowers.
We love daycare centers. The kids of America need to be taken care of.
Absolutely.
And it's a big thing too. I don't think we've done any senior daycare. When my father was sick,
we had one of the books once, but they paid.
Yeah, when my father was sick, we had to put it. It didn't last too long, but we tried it. The senior daycare center, terrible situation. Anyway, think of us. Let's talk about more pleasant things. Call us at check us out at geltfinancial.com. Call us at 561-221-0900. We want to do your business. Remember, non-bank private lenders give you an answer instantly and close very, very quick. Take care and have a great day.
Bye.